you're a homeowner and you've thought about remodeling possibly your kitchen or bathroom, then there's a good chance that you've thought about putting stone into your project. Today we're going to talk about granite versus quartz, and I'm here with stone expert Mel.
I'm an expert.
He's the expert. So
what we have is basic colors of granite. You can have small samples. When you get into the more exotic stuff, it's hard to have a sample of. Give you a little block like this. This is going to be pretty consistent, this color, the earth tone. When you go into something a little bit more like this, if you get a little sample that's about this big, and then you get a sample like this, you're going to think it's two different stones.
Right.
So it's hard to carry these in small things. That's why you'll see us have displays outside with the whole slab so people get a look at the whole thing. That's one of the disadvantages of granite is the small samples aren't very consistent versus quartz. Quartz, all of it's going to be consistent. When you look at it, okay, this is what it's every slab. This is granite, it won't look like that. Advantage of granite is price point. We have granite that starts off at $39 a square foot installed. Quartz starts off a little bit more expensive.
Right.
I think our cheapest one we've got right now is $54 a square installed.
Okay.
And we're working on trying to get them lower price, obviously.
Right.
People are going more towards quartz because easier to maintain. It's true, it doesn't stain as easily. To me, that's the only advantage it has is that it doesn't stain. The disadvantage of things is it can scorch, it's man-made, so heat activates chemicals. You drink a lot of red wine or cook with oils, and it won't stain.
Okay.
They're more consistent coloring.
But it's less natural.
It's less natural, but what they do is use quartz, they use quartzite, which this isn't exactly quartzite, but it's an example of what's, how you can find. What they do is they grind these up with a lot of the lesser quality, and each company has their own recipe. Some use 92% quartz, some use 90%. I don't know their recipe. So it has a lot of quartz in it, but they have to mix it with chemicals to hold it together. Quartz is actually a little bit stronger because the epoxy and
it's like
everything.
synthetically.
Yeah, synthetically, like we have more, with granite we have a 2-to-1 ratio.
Okay.
Whereas quartz, you also want to do a 2-to-1 ratio, but you can get away with an inch or two overhang without having as much of a problem as you would with granite.
Okay.
So the 2-to-1 ratio comes in if you have a bar top.
Yeah.
Without having to support. So if you have 24 inch, the max you want to do is 12 inches with granite. That's the max.
Okay.
I think they say 10 inches to be on the safe side without supports, but 12 inches is the max that we recommend. Our sink cutouts, we have to put a metal bar underneath.
Okay.
So
to support it.
Whenever the thinner you go here, the granite, the integrity of the granite kind of diminishes. So we put a metal thing. Whereas quartz, we don't have to do that. Different finishes with granite, you can do it honed, leathered, or polished.
Okay.
Generally, they come polished. Some stones look better leathered, so they'll come from the quarry leathered.
Right.
But you can get them that way, or you can have them done that way. Whereas quartz, you can't do that. With quartz, you're stuck with the finish that you have. As far as the top goes, edging, you can do edging, just the same edging on quartz. With the quartz, you'll see more of the whites that are very popular because a lot of people are mimicking the marble look without getting the marble headed. You have Cambria, which is made in the USA. They're also beautiful, good quality. They also have a lifetime warranty. I like them for their color selection. They have some beautiful colors. Stone and Cedar Stone are probably the other two most popular brands.
If this video was helpful for you, please like it and share it. Tag somebody that might need to see it. And if you have any questions about stone that you could be using to remodel your house, then feel free to give Mel a call at Anatolia Granite and Marble. Thank you.